New information tonight about a shooting involving a sheriff's deputy on State Route 76 in Bonsall this morning. The shooting happened about 11:30 after deputies received reports of a man with a handgun and a knife walking along the 76. The suspect refused commands to drop the weapons. That's when deputies opened fire. The man has been identified as 66-year-old Patrick Lowell of Escondido, Lowell, I should say. He was hit several times in the legs as well as his lower body. He was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. The incident, though, did close down the 76 for most of the day. Per protocol now, the San Diego Police Department will investigate what led up to this shooting.